Hi everyone! Welcome to Wealth Wizard, your go-to channel for all things money, finance and life lessons. Today, we're going to be talking about 100 life lessons every teenager needs to know. Now, I know what you're thinking, 100 lessons. That's a lot. But don't worry, I'll make it fun. So, let's get started. First, you should always make your bed in the morning. It sets the tone for a productive day. Learn to cook a basic meal. You never know when it might come in handy. Don't be afraid to fail. It's a part of the learning process. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift and support you. Save money. You never know when you'll need it. Get enough sleep. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Read books. It opens up a whole new world of knowledge and imagination. Be kind to others. It will come back to you tenfold. Take care of your mental and physical health. It's just as important as your wealth. Always be honest, even if it's not what someone wants to hear. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own journey. Travel. It broadens your horizons and exposes you to new experiences. Learn a new skill. It keeps your brain sharp and adds to your personal growth. Volunteer. Giving back feels good and makes a positive impact on the world. Learn a new language. It opens up new doors for communication and cultural understanding. Keep a journal. It helps you process your thoughts and reflect on your growth. Always keep a positive attitude. It attracts positivity into your life. Don't waste time on things that don't matter. Focus on what brings you joy and fulfillment. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Take time to relax and recharge. Burnout is real. And that's just a sneak peek of the 100 life lessons we'll be covering today. So, sit back, grab some popcorn, and let's dive into the rest of these valuable lessons. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Always be grateful for what you have. Set goals for yourself, big or small, and work towards them. Learn to manage your time effectively. Don't take things for granted. Learn from your mistakes and move on. Don't hold grudges. It only hurts you in the end. Appreciate the little things in life. Always be open to new experiences and challenges. Never stop learning. Knowledge is power. Stay organized. It saves time and reduces stress. Respect others, regardless of their beliefs or opinions. Don't judge others. Everyone has their own story. Take care of your environment. It's our responsibility to preserve it. Don't waste money on things that don't bring you joy. Always be a good listener. Treat your body with respect. It's the only one you have. Take risks. You never know what opportunities they may bring. Be confident in yourself and your abilities. Don't be afraid to speak up for what you believe in. Take care of your relationships. They're important for your well-being. Stay true to yourself and don't compromise your values. Learn to forgive. It frees up space in your heart for love and positivity. Don't be afraid of change. It can be a good thing. Take care of your finances. It sets you up for a secure future. Always be respectful, even in disagreements. Learn to say no. It sets boundaries and protects your well-being. Don't be afraid to stand up for what's right. Take care of your mental health. It affects every aspect of your life. Don't waste time on things that don't bring you happiness. Learn to let go of things you can't control. Stay positive. It attracts positivity into your life. Don't be afraid to pursue your passions, even if they're unconventional. Take care of your physical health. It's important for a long and fulfilling life. Learn to embrace your uniqueness. It sets you apart. Don't settle for less than you deserve. Always be humble. It shows character. Don't be afraid to ask for a second chance. Take care of your relationships. They bring joy and support into your life. Don't be afraid to take a break. Sometimes it's necessary for growth. Learn to trust your instincts. They're usually right. Stay true to your word. It shows integrity. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're opportunities for growth. Take care of your finances. It gives you freedom and security. Learn to appreciate the present moment. It's a gift. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. It allows for deeper connections. Always be respectful, even in the face of adversity. Don't be afraid to dream big. It sets the foundation for ambition. Take care of your mental and physical health. It's essential for a fulfilling life. Don't be afraid to try new things. It expands your horizons. Learn to accept compliments graciously. It shows confidence. Stay humble. It shows strength and character. Don't be afraid to take a step back. Sometimes it's necessary for growth. Take care of your relationships. They're important for happiness and support. Learn to control your emotions. It affects your actions and decisions. Don't hold on to negative emotions. It only hurts you in the end. Always be respectful. It builds strong relationships and shows character. Don't be afraid to apologize. It shows maturity and humility. Take care of your physical health. It sets the foundation for a healthy lifestyle. Learn to be patient. Good things come to those who wait. Stay positive. It attracts positivity into your life. Don't be afraid to ask for what you want. It shows assertiveness. Take care of your finances. It gives you security and freedom. Learn to prioritize. It saves time and reduces stress. Don't be afraid to say no. It sets boundaries and protects your well-being. Always be respectful, even in difficult situations. Don't be afraid to take a leap of faith. It brings new opportunities. Take care of your mental health. It's just as important as physical health. Learn to let go of the past. It frees up space for growth and positivity. Stay focused. It brings success and fulfillment. Don't be afraid to make a change. It can bring new opportunities and growth. Take care of your relationships. They bring joy and support into your life. Learn to communicate effectively. It builds strong relationships. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It shows strength and humility. Always be respectful, even in disagreement. Don't be afraid to be yourself. It sets you apart and attracts positivity. Take care of your finances. It sets the foundation for a secure future. Learn to embrace challenges. They bring growth and opportunities. Don't be afraid to live life to the fullest. Every moment is a gift. And there you have it, folks. 100 life lessons that every teenager needs to know. Remember, life is a journey, and it's all about learning, growing, and making the most of every moment. So, stay positive, stay respectful, and always keep learning. And with that, this concludes our video for today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.